foot pedal assembly upgraded. All right, so that's our stock lever, which gets upgraded with a double pivoting lever, much more secure on its axis. The upgraded shoulder bolt doesn't fit our stock pedal. The 1/4-inch drill bit, 17/64. That guy attaches to there. This guy goes through here. No modification needed, so slightly bend this tab out to give me some room to put that spring in place. There you go. All right, and there we go. This guy's ready to go back in the car. Bolts back in. Insert the cable. There we go. Beautiful. That's set. Let me go hook up the throttle. So with that, that's the EMPI 98 1093-0